In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart in Lucidchart. A Gantt chart is a simple visual way to map out tasks across time so you can see who's doing what, when work starts and ends, and how pieces of a project line up. By the end, you'll have a clear, shareable timeline you can update as your project evolves. First, open your browser and head to lucidchart.com. If you already have an account, sign in. If you're new, you can start a free trial so you can follow along. Once you're in your Lucidchart home or editor, look toward the right side of the screen for the templates section and click More Templates. This opens the full gallery so you don't have to build everything from scratch. In the gallery's search bar, type Gantt chart and press Enter. This narrows the options to layouts designed for timelines and schedules. You'll see several variations, each with different styling and timescales. Pick the one that best matches how you want to present your timeline. From here, select the flow diagram option and click Use. Lucidchart will open a new document based on that template so you can start editing immediately. Now it's time to customize your Gantt chart. Begin by updating the project title at the top so it's clear what this timeline represents. Next, adjust the timescale to match your real schedule. If the template shows weeks but your project runs by months or quarters, change the labels so they reflect your cadence. Then, replace the placeholder tasks with your actual tasks. Click a taskbar to rename it and drag its ends to set accurate start and end dates. If your tasks need to occur in a certain order, use lines or arrows to suggest dependencies so it's obvious what must finish before the next thing can begin. Color can make the chart easier to read. Consider assigning one color per team or phase and use a standout color for milestones. If you need to track who owns what, add a simple column for owners or place labels directly on the bars. Keep things readable by spacing bars evenly and keeping labels short but specific. As you go, don't forget to save. When you're happy with the layout, you can share it with collaborators, export it as a PDF or image, or embed it in your documentation so the timeline stays visible. That's it. Go to lucidchart.com, open More Templates, search for Gantt chart, select the flow diagram and click Use, then customize it to match your project. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your project timeline.